Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix U-Verse box keeps losing signal drop and connection fix. To stop an AT&T U-Verse box from constantly losing its signal, you must isolate whether the dropout is caused by a hardware freeze, weak wireless placement, or a gateway communication breakdown. Fix 1. Perform a forced hard reset. Press and hold the physical power button directly on the front panel of the U-verse receiver for 10 seconds. The box will immediately reboot, which takes about 5 to 8 minutes. Note, this basic power cycle will temporarily interrupt any active DVR recordings. Fix 2. Reboot the main Wi-Fi gateway. Unplug the power cord from the back of your main AT&T Wi-Fi gateway. Now wait a full 2 minutes before plugging it back in. And wait for the broadband lights on the gateway to turn solid green before checking your TV signal. Fix 3. Clear wireless access point WAP interface. Unplug the power cable from the WAP for 10 seconds, then plug it back in. Ensure the wireless U-verse receiver has at least 3 out of 5 green bars illuminated on its front panel. If it shows fewer bars, move the box closer to the WAP or clear away thick physical barriers. Keep baby monitors, cordless house phones, and heavy electronic equipment at least 10 feet away from both the gateway and the receiver to prevent signal degradation. Fix 4. Bypass power strips and check cables. Unplug the U-verse receiver from your current power strip and plug it directly into a standard wall outlet. Disconnect and firmly reseat both ends of the HDMI cable connecting the box to your TV, as well as any Ethernet or coaxial cable running into the back of your unit. Fix 5. Run the on-screen diagnostic tool. Press the menu button on your silver U-verse remote control and scroll down and select Help, then choose Information. Now navigate to U-verse Troubleshoot and Resolve and press OK. From there, select TV or DVR and follow the step-by-step on-screen prompts to fix background sync errors. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.